She's having her first puppy, and it looks like it's being born breech. Can't really get a good look at it. Yep, it's coming up first. Push it out, baby. Push it out. If it doesn't come out in a timely manner, they can smother when they're breech like this. I may have to stop the recording. She's got most of it out, looks like. Come on, baby. Let's get the rest of it out. Come on. Push. Push. Let's get that head out. Let's get the head out. There it comes. Push. 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 Almost done. Let's get the head out. Push. Push the head out. Come on. I'll tug as you push. Push, baby. Push. Push. Let's get the head out. Come on. We gotta get the head out so it can breathe. Come on. Push it out. Push it out. Here it comes. Let's open that sack. Oh my goodness. Look how pretty. Look how pretty. I busted the sack as it's coming out, so as long as the placenta is connected, it can still get air. But the minute she cuts the cord, if it's not breathing, sometimes they smother. So it's important on first litters especially. Look here, get the face. Clean the face off. That's a baby. You got a baby. Look at that. And it's starting to breathe. Come on, let's get its face cleaned off first. Clean that face off. It's important that they clean the face off first before they cut the cord. Come here. Don't worry about that cord. Just worry about getting this baby breathing first. Yeah. Get that baby breathing. Get that baby breathing. Get her breathing. Or him. Whichever. She just popped this one out, and this is her first